In this video, I will be guiding you through on how to undo in Adobe Acrobat. So let's say you're highlighting the lines or the paragraphs and let's just say you just highlighted the wrong part. Well, let's say it's this for this situation. So you want to undo this and you want to just like not highlight this part. All you have to do is go to the top section and you can see this arrow that says undo. So simply tap in there and there you go. So the last part you just did will be undo, and if you want to tap it again and again, all the things you just highlighted or muted, you will be removed. So this is the case of highlight, but let's say you just did something like you just made something, it will be applicable in everything. So this is basically how you undo in Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video was useful. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.